This question is going viral right now. Thousands of people are arguing about the final answer. Some are confident. Some are confused. And some are totally wrong. But today, I'm solving it using two different methods. But here's the twist. Depending on your method, the result changes. Let's break it down carefully. Our first method is algebra method. First, let's follow pure algebra rules. No assumptions. Our first equation is air minus air is equal to 25. Plus air and minus air will be cancelled out and minus air is equal to 25. And air is equal to minus 25. And our second equation is b minus b is equal to 9. Plus b and minus b will be cancelled out and minus b is equal to 9. And b is equal to minus 9. And our third equation is c minus c equals 8. And minus c will be cancelled out and minus c is equal to 8. And c is equal to minus 8. Now combined all the values a, b and c. Now we get us a plus b plus c is equal to minus 42. Algebra does not say variables must be positive. Negative values are completely valid in mathematics. Now the method 2 is pattern interpretation method. Now let's look at this question differently. What if this is not normal subtraction? What if a minus a actually represents something like air, which is a 3-digit number? We can write it as 100a plus 10a plus a. So it becomes 111a, which is equal to 25. Then a is equal to 25 by 111. Similarly, b is equal to 9 by 111. And c is equal to 8 by 111. Now add them. Now take LCM and get us 42 by 111. Now simplify, then we get us 14 by 37. Now you have a big question in your mind. Which method is correct? Here is the truth. If the question meant algebraic subtraction, the correct answer is minus 42. If it meant pattern-based digit formation, the answer becomes 14 by 37. Don't just calculate, think deeper. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.